Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It is Jessica. Today we are going to do a swipe. I already went ahead and pre-mixed all my paints with floetrol and water. I am going to be using pink, blue, green, and white. The green and white is from Artist Loft Acrylic Flow, and the pink and blue is from Apple Barrels. Okay, so with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. Now I am just going to swizzle some blue everywhere. I have no specific way that I want this. And some pink. I want it very colorful. And some green. Okay, I am going to be swiping with white, so let me kind of do this around. My white. And I am going to put some white up in here. I do have a paper cloth in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this wiping. I'm going to let it soak it all up. Okay. I'll do it one more time. I'm going to give it a minute. One more time. I don't like how there's like, take this popsicle stick and kind of scrape that, because I don't like how that's nothing but white right there. Okay, awesome sauce. Tell them to open it. We're just gonna let this sit here for a while and see what it does, but be back. Oh, okay guys, so I've waited about 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and do a close-up. I really like this part right here. It looks really cool, and the whole webbing of it. You got a whole bunch of little cells right here. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It definitely did what I wanted it to do. It's bright but peaceful looking. Not too bright, you know what I mean? A bunch of cells coming right here. Little baby ones right here. But yeah, here's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And like always, I'll see you next time. Bye.